Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how to configure remote desktop connection from Windows 11 to Windows Server 2022. First, we will check the network connectivity. Here is two Windows. One is Windows Server installed in VMware Workstation and Windows 11 in the PC. Now we are going to check the IP on both device. First we are going to check in the server. Go to the command prompt, then write ipconfig. Here you can see that IP group address is 192.168.1.10, and again we will go to the command prompt in Windows 11 and write ipconfig. Here you will see the IP is 192.168.1.8, and for the RDP connection, that both devices are to be connected, or for that they should be in the same network. Ping from Windows Server 192.168.1.8. Ping is successful. Now enable the remote desktop on Windows Server. Now go to the server manager and you will see in the server manager the local server on the left panel. Then in the properties you will see here remote management, remote desktop, and by default it is disabled. Click on disable and select the radio button of allow remote connection to this server, to this computer. Then OK, then apply and OK. Now we will allow remote desktop through firewall. Normally Windows automatically allows it, but let's verify. Firewall, allow, select allow an app through the Windows firewall and press R key. You will see here remote desktop is already enabled, and you need to be ensured that the check button in private is selected. Now press OK. Now go to the Windows 11. Here we will press Windows R and type mstsc, then OK. You will see this terminal. Then write the IP of the Windows Server, and the IP of Windows Server is 192.168.1.10. You can change the username from the show option and write here, as we have already given the name, username. So connect, press connect and provide the password, then press OK. You will see this prompt. Press S. Now you can see remote desktop connection is successful. Now, so this is how we configure remote desktop connection from Windows 11 to Windows Server 2022. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more networking and system administration practical videos. Thank you for watching.